In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to profit with YouTube Shorts without filming any videos, editing any videos, or even showing your face on camera. You could be a complete beginner using the strategy I'm going to show you in this video and get paid. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. As you can see right here, this channel is making $1.4 million per month or $16.7 million per year uploading YouTube Shorts. That's right, Shorts videos. As you can see over here, starting in early 2023, creators in the YouTube Partner Program will be eligible to monetize Shorts videos. And I'm going to show you exactly how to upload Shorts without creating or filming any of the videos yourself. So if you ever wanted to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money, smash that like button, watch the full video, and follow along step by step. So I'm going to show you how to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money because you'll be eligible to get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and monetize those shorts in a month or two. So let's go ahead and jump into a channel example, the niche you should get started in, and where to get the videos to upload to your channel. So if we come over here to the YouTube Shorts shelf, the only thing you have to do is go into the search bar and enter hashtag shorts. And that's going to bring you to the short shelf, and that's basically going to show you every short that's ever been uploaded to YouTube. And as you can see, these videos are getting 123,000 views, 114,000 views, 8.2 million views, 731,000 views, and you have the potential to land on this shelf, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and what types of videos that we should be making. Now, if we come over here, this is a special niche that no one is taking advantage of, and you can jump right on it. Now, if you look up into your search bar, just search hashtag shorts plus cooking. And that's just going to bring up cooking videos. As you can see, American Breakfast, 8.1 million views. Best Cook ASMR Food Cooking Hamburger and Cream Cheese, 200 million views. How to Make the Perfect Steak, 2.8 million views. Peri Peri Chicken ASMR Cooking, 9.3 million views. So I'm going to show you this exact channel here, Albert Can Cook. So we're going to go over here and we're just going to look at his channel. If you look here, you can see that he's just uploading these YouTube Shorts videos and he's not even showing his face. Here we got the meat boat, 1.4 million views, the tuna sub, 1.2 million views, the Big Mac sub, 3.3 million views. So millions of views. And if we go over to Social Blade, you can see that they're estimating that he's making $1.3 million a month or $15.9 million a year. But usually it's somewhere between these two here, either 82,000 to 1.3 million. Is probably somewhere in the middle. But even if it was at the lowest end, which is about 82,000, what would you guys do with that 82,000? Comment down below and let me know. Also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with a channel just like this. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, and if you follow each and every step, you'll be ready to copy and paste YouTube Shorts and earn money. So what you want to do is just come over to TikTok and search this page, cooking.tv6. This page is really important because as you can see, they're making cooking videos and they're not putting their face in any of the videos. And as you can see, this one has got 1,000 views, this one's got 2,000 views, but some has gone viral. Here you got 31,000 views. And then if we look here, this one's got 1.3 million views. So we're just going to pick this video and I'm gonna just go ahead and play it so you can see it. As you can see, they're cutting the chicken up, but it has this watermark here. And YouTube is not going to like it if you upload a TikTok video onto YouTube. They're really not going to be too happy about that. So we're going to find a way to remove this watermark. And in order to do that, we're going to use a tool called Snaptick. So what you want to do is just copy this link here. And we're going to paste that in here to Snaptick and just click download. And then you just want to click download again. And as you can see, it just downloaded to my computer. So now that we got this video downloaded to our computer, what we're going to do is we're going to edit this video and make it a reaction style video so we could upload it to YouTube. And to do that, we're going to use Canva. So now to edit the video, we're just going to come over to canva.com. And this is a Photoshop software that's free, and we're just going to use it to edit our video, make it a reaction style video so we could upload it to YouTube. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So what you want to do is just come into the search bar here and just search mobile video and enter. And then we're just going to create a blank mobile video here. And now we just want to take our video that's downloaded to our computer and drag it and drop it. And then we just want to stretch it out to fill a canvas. Okay, and so now we got our video. And so now what we want to do is just add an element. So we're just going to come over here to elements and we're going to add the square here. So we're just going to drag this up to the top, stretch it out, make it a little bit thinner maybe. And then we want to right click and duplicate it. And the second one, we're just going to drag right down to the bottom. And the color doesn't look that bad. It looks like it fits the scene, but I'm just going to change it. I'll make it, let's say, yeah, I'll make it this purple. And now what we want to do is add some text. And this is basically going to make it a reaction style video. So we just want to add some text. Okay, and we can just say something like, make it a little bit bigger. How delicious does this look? And then we stretch it out a little bit, maybe make it white, and then we just drag it to the top, center it, then maybe put a question mark in there, and then we're just going to add a bit more text, make it a little bit bigger, and we'll just say comment 1 through 10 right here. Make it a little bit bigger, then we drag this down to the bottom. So now what this is going to do right here, this is going to make this a reaction style video because people are actually going to comment, and while they're commenting, the video is actually looping in the background, and this is how you're going to get 100% watch rate, and this is how you can get videos to go viral, especially shorts. So now that we have our viral video right here, we're just going to press share, and we're going to download it to our computer. Okay, so now that we got our video downloaded to our computer, we're just going to upload it to our channel. Okay, so you just want to come over to YouTube and just click on this create icon here. And then you're going to get a drop down and you just want to click on upload video. And the video that we just downloaded, you just want to drag it and drop it here. Okay, so now we just want to title it and we could just say something like delicious chicken. And then you want to make sure that you put in hashtag shorts, so YouTube knows that it's a shorts video. And we also just want to copy the title and paste it into our description so we could rank for it. And then we just want to scroll down to the tag box. And we also want to put it in there as well so that when people search, our video pops up first. And you could also put cooking, cooking, shorts, cooking, video. And you could just put in as many keywords as you can to get this to reach 500. Once you get that done, your video is ready to go. So you just want to click next, next, and next. And then you just want to select public and publish. And you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.